Good evening, viewers. First of all, I thank my friend Dinesh ji for providing me an opportunity to speak about business during lockdown. It reminds me of a famous English saying that an optimist sees opportunity in all the calamities, whereas a pessimist sees calamities in all opportunities. This is no doubt an unforeseen circumstances. Somebody call it a forced measure. Yes, we have never been to that sort of circumstances. But looking at the positives, it gives us a tremendous opportunity for business. Whatever little experience I have got in the IT industry, the IT business comprises of two major parts. One is software, other is hardware. In software business, yes, opportunity is tremendous without any hindrance. The especially work from home facility gives a tremendous opportunity to network, to reach to people, to show your abilities, and obviously all the transactions are electronic. In the hardware industry, on the contrary, there is a threat for the online vendors like Flipkart, Amazon and all these people for directly supplying to the customers. But all the channel comprising of maybe 100,000 channels all across the country has got a tremendous opportunity if they manage their logistic, price, relationship and service. To sum up, I have a formula called COME, which our industry man should follow during this crisis. C stands for commitment or committed, O for optimistic, M for managing, and E for empathy. COME, come. Now, needless to say that one has to be committed to his business, one has to take the ownership of the business, and O stands for optimistic. Without optimism, we cannot conquer anything. And M for managing, we have to manage everything within our resources. And most important, E for is empathy. Empathy is something when you interact with your partners, when you interact with your customers, you got to understand their feelings, their difficulties, their pains, understanding everything. You got to communicate with them. It has to be very, very delicate communication. I think this much is for me to say today. All the best to the business, and I am sure the IT business will make a huge comeback post-lockdown.